Lighting and this whole situation is just so awful. What is this? Oh god. So I got a call from the mail and it was like, your stuff has arrived, and I was like, Yaha! Are your sister ready? Because I am. I have never been so excited in my whole life. Hi, Sister James. I was waiting for this palette. I'm not gonna lie, I think I am the last person to have ever received this. I'm not mad though. At least I have it, right? I'm gonna show you what I have. I've got this one. We're gonna play with her. And I got a bunch of other stuff too. I didn't get the James Charles brush set because I was crazy, I don't know. But I liked these. I ripped the box. The new brush set collection. I think it was the creator or the artist. I don't know, I'm gonna pop the name right here. But I liked them because I really needed new brushes and I wanted something to like blend more. Because you know my blending game is not strong. It's so weak. Yeah, we all know that, I guess. And I got 2 of the Morphe Beauty Sponge. Now, I wanted a new sponge. Aside from Morphe, I got some new stuff from ColourPop too. I got a new concealer. I got the new Bretman Rock and ColourPop collab, a blush, and I also got, a lip kit. I am dying for this because I saw his video with his sister and his lips were like, I was staring at his lips the whole time. Is that appropriate? I don't know. But that was the tea, honey. But I got a new blush. From ColourPop, and this is in the shade Spectacle. I think it's a little bit dark, but I just wanted to try out new bronzer, so I thought why not. It was on sale, and yeah, I'm gonna do my base first. I'm gonna do my face, I'm gonna do my brows and the whole shebang, and then come to you to play with sister. So see you in a while. Okay, and I'm back. I did my foundation, bronzing, and I did my brows, and now I am dipping into our sister. Since he actually came out with that, he also said that you can actually use a base, any base, but he preferred the P. Louise base. I would prefer this for any kind of palette. This palette is actually so pigmented as I have seen. I have not tried this. I only opened it, you know, just to take a sneak peek, but I have not tried this at all. As I have seen and heard and, you know, watched a lot of reviews, they are very pigmented. And P. Louise base actually kind of like helps as well. It's good for any shadow, as I said. It brings out the true colors of the, and there she is. Morphe James Charles palette. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And she is sister huge. So I'm gonna be doing a fun colory look. Also, I would like to talk about very talented Rupio. I hope I said her name right, but she has been nailing it. Queen of rainbows, queen of colors. And I've been watching her videos, and she actually, because she does a lot of cut creases, and I've learned a lot from her, and I really enjoy her looks. You can make this for a special occasion if you want to play, if you want to take just photos, or you can actually wear them and go out because it's makeup. You can do whatever you want, sis. She's been using this palette because also she was the first actually to talk about this, because I think, anyway, she like took real advantage of this palette. But I'm not gonna be following one of her looks today. I actually watched a new video by Erin Rose and I loved her look, so I just want to copy that and we're gonna have some fun. So first I'm gonna set my eyes with the P. Louise base right here. And as Rokio said in one of her videos talking about how she does cut creases, she said to clean, to make this brush more pointy, so just wet it and just swipe it like with a makeup remover thingy, tissue, whatever, and make the edges more pointy. Apply the base on my eyelids real quick. Okay, now make sure when you apply this base, you don't set it with anything. You just go ahead straight with the shadows. I am actually going to use the new set brush. I've been dying to use these. I'm diving in my new brush set because I always buy sets. Morphe set brushes don't like have numbers on them, so like, I'm sorry. I don't want to ruin them. Like, I just want to stare at them, but I don't want to play with them. You know what I mean? Do you have that feeling too? Make sure before you dive in, you don't have any creases. So what I do is I tap, 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 tap. Make sure the creases go away. And the first shade she goes in with. Oh, I can't believe I'm diving in the James Charles palette. Okay, so first shade she goes in, this shade right here. Darkest purple on the planet. We're gonna dip in the shade Escape. She goes right here. And also this, I don't think I chose the right brush for that. I'm just dabbing on the shade, just packing it on. Wow, this is so pigmented. Okay, that is so pigmented. Like, I don't know if you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna take like a smaller blending brush from the set, and I'm gonna go in the second shade, which is called Single. Are you single? Just kidding. I'm gonna take that on a like small blending brush. That's so new. I'm so scared. I don't want to use it. She takes the shade Single, which is right next to it, and she goes blending up right on, you know, and then we're just gonna blend that in. I've been like so into these colorful looks lately. I'm just having fun. I actually saw a comment like a few days ago. It wasn't for me. It was from a guy like who doesn't even wear makeup or anything. He was like, do you actually go out with these looks? First of all, hi, it's none of your business. Second of all, if I want to go out with this look, I can do it. I can do whatever the hell I want. Okay, because she actually goes like for like purple and then blue, and also my face looks a mess. So she packs on the shade Cola. Hi. Whoa, that is so pigmented. Zion. Okay, now that we're done with packing this amazing shade, again, I'm gonna go with the same smaller blending brush. I'm gonna go with the shade Playground, which is just right above it. And just blend that out. See, that's why I think I wasn't really good with blending, because I didn't have the right brushes, which I thought I actually did. And the truth is that that is fine. Blending them together. Bring it all the way up to your brow bone. Yes, I'm that girl. And what's good with these shadows is that they don't actually, you don't have to put a lot of effort to blend these out, because they are so blendable and buildable as well. So now she cuts the crease, and I'm gonna cut the crease. Let's cut that crease. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base in the lightest shade. It's really good for cutting creases. Crease time. And I'm also gonna do the same technique as Rokiel. First, you stamp it on. You don't like swipe it. You know what I mean? You will see in a second. Okay, now that we're done with this cut crease, I'm gonna take the shade Cola again, bring it right here, because we want to start with this dark blue shade right here. And dabbing on. And then she goes in with the shade Social Blade, but for, do you see that here? When will I ever learn? Okay, we're gonna fix that, but first let me finish with this. Your girl doesn't want any harsh lines. Next shade she goes in with the shade Social Blade, which is this lime green. Tack it on, right? Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight. Take it here as if I'm making a huge liner. Whoa, that is pigmented. Whoa, that is pigmented actually. Wow. Can you see that yellow? And then I'm just gonna take the shade Flashback, which is that huge white shade, and add it on that white base. Just tap it on. Finished as she does. I'm gonna finish this eye, the second eye, and then we'll come back and do the under eye, and then we'll do the rest of the face, and that's it. Let's hope it doesn't get dark outside.
One eternity later.
And I am back, and the whole eyes are done. As you can see, I also did the lower lash line because I didn't have any time, because my daughter barged in and she almost, rest is history. So underneath I packed on like 3 shades. So for the inner corner I went in with the shade 518, and also inside the waterline I popped in a white liner, and then I just popped that shade right onto the waterline. And also for the under eye I used the shade You're Kidding and blended it out with the shade Skip. And she also had like a yellow shade, but I did not do that part. I just left it like that, and I popped on some lashes, House of Lashes. And yeah, this is it now to the fun part as well, because in the same palette, James has a like highlighter shade, which is Face, and he also highlights with that, so I thought I would use that highlighter. And also, oh wait, there's two shades actually. So there is Face, this one right here, and this shade right here, which is called Ring Light. Those two would be so good for highlighting shades, and I thought I would try that out and show you. So first, I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. This is my best brush for highlighting. Whoa, this almost fell. And I'm sorry for the noise. You might hear a background noise, but this is my daughter watching cartoon. Anyway, so I'm dipping in the shade Face. Oh wow. Oh wow, that is not bad, and it's actually so big. Like the pan itself is huge. Wow, I did not expect that. Yes, we have a sister winner. I'm gonna use the shade Ring Light. Okay, can you see this? Also here, I really like this look, but I think the lighting is like making it not seem that good. For blush, I have the Bretman Rock and ColourPop collab, and I have this in the shade Super Shock Cheek. Let me pop that on my cheek. That's actually nice. That's really nice. Wow, did not expect that.
I faced my steak.
Wow, that's so nice. I love blush on the nose just as much as Thomas Halpert loves it. So okay, Bretman Rock, you won. You sister won. Now all that's left is a lip. Okay, and for lips, I'm gonna use the Essence Long Lasting Lip Liner in the shade Daff, and I'm gonna use my Fenty Balm. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I'm so glad I finally have my James Charles palette. You will be seeing more and more colorful looks because this is what I am into right now. I hope it's okay with you. I will actually do a natural everyday kind of look, but I just wanted to try something that I haven't really been trying to do, and I'm just having so much fun coming out of my comfort zone, playing with a lot of this palette. Is so worth it and so bomb. Whoever still doesn't own this, I suggest that. And there's a lot of things you can actually create for this with this palette. You can actually, I saw James's challenge, the one where he does a full face using his own palette. This does work, you know. You have highlighter shades, you have everything, you have neutral shades and all the shades you need, and also like highlighters, and it's just successful collab and a very successful launch, I think, so far for Morphe. I hope to see more of that soon, but right now I'm just having so much fun. I think this is gonna be the main palette of use for like a while. And yeah, I hope this new year brings you a lot of happiness, joy, and please be kind to one another. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and also click that bell button so anytime I upload you will get a notification. Happy 2019. I hope this year is full of good luck and happiness to you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.